Hey, so in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to quickly do a manual RGB shift on something in CLIPSTUDIO Paint. This can apply to any drawing program since it doesn't require any program-specific features to do, but I will be showing how to do it in CLIPSTUDIO. An RGB shift is basically adding this, quote, 3D glasses effect to your art. Basically adding artificial depth or making your art look like it's displayed on an old monitor. So first off, select the image and copy it, then paste at least 3 times. The reason why you want to copy and paste it is because we are going to be manually applying filters to each one of those copies. Make sure you lock the original layer. What you want to do, make a new layer, clip it to the one below, and then take the bucket tool and just fill it in. Now add the overlay filter and merge down. Now we want to repeat the process for every other one. So now I take blue, overlay, and merge. And now green, overlay, merge. And what we're gonna do now, this is where the magic starts. Lower the layer visibility. I'm gonna do all of these down to 12. Now look at that, it's almost as if there are no colored layers on top of it, right? I would zoom in to see better, and now I hold the Control key and drag the layer. You can see the effect already coming to fruition. You can move it in different directions. Depending on how much you move these, the stronger the effect is going to be. So if you don't want a too strong effect, don't move them a lot. Otherwise your stuff can look a little bit blurry, but as you can see, the effect is here. It's actually not that difficult to do, and it's very subtle. I really like adding this effect alongside maybe like a bunch of like colored lines to give my art this old CRT monitor feeling, to make it look more retro and stuff. So yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you. Bye!